Welcome! Today, I'll guide you through creating an ink outline animation text in Canva. Let's get started. To start, open Canva and click on Video. Select the desired size and open a new page. Navigate to the Text tab. Enter your desired text and customize the text style as needed. Move the text to the center position on the page. Duplicate the text, go to the Effects tab, choose Hollow, and adjust the thickness to your preference. Click on Position, select Middle to match the original text position. Next, head to the Elements tab, search for ink, click on Videos, and choose a suitable video to add to the page. Click on Position, then Layer, and place the video between the two text layers. Click on BG Remover, and there you have it. Feel free to experiment with different videos for unique effects. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.